Z06, and he just got some new tires for it. So he only has like 16,000 miles on his tires, and they're not the super race tires or whatever. They're supposed to last longer than that, but we're guessing that his alignment was off because his back tires, his right one has got wires showing on the inside. So thankfully that was spotted, and because that could have been really bad, you know, that could have a blowout and that could be catastrophic. So I am pumped to have a little breakup from the tractor tire videos. I don't know when this will get posted, but tractor tire videos have been awesome to film and stuff, but it's been kind of a nightmare keeping up with all the comments because there's been, you know, I don't know, 50 to 100,000 new people seeing my videos, and so there's a lot of people that don't like me, and that's fine. That's why YouTube, there's plenty of people on YouTube, because you can go and find people that you like, and you know, their personality clicks with yours and you like their content stuff. That's fine, but it's been just kind of crazy over the last couple days dealing with all this. So they just spread all the chicken poo out here in the field. Anybody that lives out in the country knows when they spread that chicken poo, boy, it is horrible for miles, and I'm right on top of it. What's this guy doing? Cleaning his wheels like he tries to keep that car clean. He don't keep that car clean.
All right, this was my passenger rear tire.
It looks terrible.
It seriously looks like from here over it's been ate up.
Yeah.
Because it's been sitting like this.
Right. Or getting drugged somehow.
But like, we got wires showing basically all the way around this thing.
I've never looked inside of a run flat.
I think the walls are just really stiff. Here's my one of my 3 patches. The new ones are,
oh, they got a little more meat.
3, 35, 30, 20. So we got a little bit taller.
They smell good.
They do smell good.
They look good.
I like them.
They are pretty soft.
They're soft, but that's what we're after.
This one looks about the same. It just hadn't got as bad. There's a little wire right there. Those look sick.
If they last, it's a Christmas.
Now what are these? What are these?
These are the best Michelins they make. $3 grand a piece. No, these are Federal 595s. Yeah, Federal.
595 RPM.
Yeah, RPM. That's their performance series, but I've done about 10 minutes of research, so I bought them. $311 to the door off Amazon.
Both of them.
Both. Yeah.
Both of them.
Both.
And what are these? Like $500 a piece?
Yeah, these are the Michelin Super Sports that came with the car. Car has 16,000 miles on it. But I'm guessing my alignment is what has definitely failed these. But what's weird is
dude, there's gonna be some people cringing with wood under this thing.
Well, they're not. It's not sitting on wood. It's not sitting on there. That's just a safety precaution.
Just safety.
But what's weird is that this being a Z07, it didn't come with the Cup 2s. I thought all Z07s did.
Probably could option it not to.
Yeah. So they're actually the.
Dang, they got some pretty big half shafts in these cars. That's more money than my car.
I don't think those rears on that car would fit on that.
Nah. Those wheels?
The wheels.
Oh heck no.
Rears fit on those rears.
Those are 18s?
Yeah.
No, that's probably 18-inch disc right there.
But I do want to go do some pulls in it today.
Oh, for sure. 335 30s.
Yeah, the difference is 30.
Yeah, a little bit more sidewall. And not run flats.
Yeah. I've had that for 7 years. Never had run flats, never had a problem. I've had this for 6 months. I had 3 nails in the tire. But even that.
Oh, real? That was my phone going all the way to the ground.
Oh, lifted Chevrolet.
We're Gucci though.
By lifted, it's
13 minutes. It's not uploading right though. Not gonna make. We got 9 minutes, 6 o'clock post, and we have 13 minutes remaining on the upload. I'm crying.
Yeah, scared me to death. Oh, snake got me.
Snake done bit.
The air snake.
Oh my gosh.
Got my britches.
Gotta go change my underwear now.
This thing's gonna sit like 4 foot off the ground.
Mm-hmm.
Roll.
Get in there and bounce in it.
Yeah. It does. It's taller. I like it. What are those? Little scratch.
Rip.
I think that was there.
It'll be noticeable. Now instead of first gear going to 60, it's gonna go to 75.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Better go for a drive in the Z, see how the tires do, but Mustang treat me right with some good sunlight. Afternoon. Grabber blue looking righteous. We're gonna go in here and test out, see how these tires do. Rip. Rip.
Is this a joke?
Try it again.
Hey, what's up?
What are you doing?
I'm on my way. I was seeing what y'all was doing.
We're in the car right now. What are you doing?
Oh, sorry, wrong number.
That dude.
That's Meadster. Let's see you, boo. Oh, he gonna zip by. That boy. He was grinning ear to ear.
Go to the secret spot.
Secret romp spot?
Yeah.
Is it somewhere near Mexico? Is it down there in Bikini Bottom?
Yeah. It looks better.
Yeah, way better. I mean, your tires were they couldn't have even been warm.
No.
It's not even that warm a day. That was good.
It's way better. That's way better. That's like 1,000 times better. I've
Yeah.
never done a 2.3 like that.
Really?
Never.
I feel like the first probably wouldn't have spun as much had we not gone through that gravel right there too. I'm sure it had some on the tires.
Should have done a pre-burn.
A little pre-burn, yeah.
I like the noise.
That second gear hit hard.
That was nice. This is $300 is the move.
If they last more than like 10,000 miles, they're the move.
The reason they won't is because how they're performing right now.
Right. Too much of that, they won't last was thinking the other day, I really drove this car to a car show when you were across the country.
Yeah. Oh, that not long ago.
Like, I guess in the moment, like I didn't want to, like I was like, if I do this and I have a wreck or something, it's going to be a huge ordeal. But looking back on it, it's a lot bigger deal than I made it out to be. It could have been like horribly bad.
2,600